ahead and get my life together. Alright, y'all, welcome to my channel. What's up with it, everybody? I just want to go ahead and say that I am extremely happy to be back on YouTube. I'm extremely happy to be showing my creativeness and all my content with you guys again. I do hope that y'all stick with me through this process because it's gonna be a tough one. I got this brand new camera, never used it before. So it's not gonna be the easiest to work with, but I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying, do what I can. Some of y'all who don't know me, my name is Jordynn. I go by Jordynn MUA on Instagram and everywhere else. A little background information on your girl. I've been doing makeup for about 3 or 4 years now. So I'm still a rookie. I'm still in the beginning stages, so I still don't know everything, but your girl knows some things. I am from Vallejo, California. You already know what it is, but right now I currently live in Georgia. Yes, I did recently move about 2 weeks ago, so your girl is in a new state or whatever. I was out here before, so I am back now. I kind of want to do this video just to kind of give y'all some update on what I've been doing and what I got going on. I already know that some of y'all follow me on social media and y'all been seeing my face a lot lately, and stuff like that. Sorry if I look down, I'm looking at my monitor. I'm trying to make sure I look good. But yeah, so I know that some of y'all follow me, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I've been doing and y'all know me or whatever. But yeah, so I should have probably wrote down some things that I wanted to talk about, but I didn't. Things first, I'm 21 years old, you know what I'm saying? We 21 out here del uno. I turned 21 in December and it was really lit. It was really lit. Hold on, y'all. Let me call my, hold on. I have to call my friend. Wait, hold on. I'm in the middle of recording, right? Like literally for YouTube right now, right? No, y'all, long story short, my friend over here is dealing with some mess and I need to call her. Send it to me, I want to see. Send it to me, I want to see.
It's a video, I have to screen record.
You can't send it, it's on Instagram or Snapchat?
It's on Instagram.
Is his page private?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, screen record it. So, you want to say hi?
Not me in the camera.
It's okay.
But call me back when you get done.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye. Anywho. So yeah, just to kind of do some follow-up with y'all. Like I said, I am in Atlanta, Georgia, where it's lit or whatever. I haven't been able to do much because, you know, the Rona is fucking up everything and your girl can't even go outside or whatever. So, but that's okay because I have time to do this. A little bit more about me. I have done photo shoots, I have done fashion shows, I have done regular glam makeup on my clients, I have done editorial looks, I have done YouTube before in my past videos. I haven't taught any classes yet, I haven't taught nobody how to do no makeup yet, but I hope that eventually I get to do that because I feel like some people want to learn, you know what I'm saying, they want to learn how to do makeup from your girl. So I just recently got out of a long-term relationship. It was almost 4 years. Yeah, that's kind of, you know, the reason why I'm in Atlanta right now, because of, you know, things not working out or whatever. But, you know, I am in a better place. I'm happy mentally, emotionally, and physically. I don't know about y'all, but I feel happy and I look happy, and you know, the fact that I'm just on social media more and I'm able to talk to y'all and be, you know what I'm saying, out there more is, you know, just shows a lot. You know what I'm saying? And so yeah, I just felt like I need to put that out there because some people don't know. So yes, I am single. And I was with a female or whatever. So I don't know what type of title I would like to say that I am, because I'm not like that, like, oh, I'm gay or I'm bi or I'm straight or whatever, because I do find men attractive, you know what I'm saying. But females, it's I've only dated one female and we was together. So, you know, I don't know what's gonna happen from this point forward, but you know, if you cool with me, I'm cool with you. You know, who knows? But I suffered a lot during that time period of my life, during that relationship period. And I felt like now it just has brought me into a better place where I'm so much more confident with myself and I can just be myself and I can actually visualize the things that I need in a relationship and what I need out of a friendship. Because I lost a lot of friends during this process and it really does suck because the people that I thought was closest to me, we are no longer in contact. But that's okay, you know what I'm saying? I wish the best for them and I pray for them and I hope that life is good for them, you know what I'm saying? But now, will I say that was my relationship the reason why I have lost the friendship? Hell yeah, yes. But there was also a lot of disrespect that was into it too as well. So like I said, things happen. I wish the best for them, you know what I'm saying? And I just want them to be happy wherever they at and whatever they doing. And if a friendship does, you know, I keep kicking my camera, sorry, but if a friendship does end up happening in the future, by all means, you know what I'm saying? Because I feel like I'm an extremely good friend to all the people that I have been friends with or I have encountered with in the past. I've always been a good friend to people, so it wasn't me, y'all. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see what else I have 2 dogs right now, Raven and Prada. Prada's new, but Raven, some of y'all who know me know that Raven has been around since day 1. That's my little fireside. Yeah, I got a Doberman Pinscher, a Min Pin, and I got a Boston Terrier. She's our newest dog to our family. I don't have no kids. Like, I'm too young, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all the young moms out there that got babies, you know what I'm saying? Y'all doing it big, because me, I got a dog, okay, and that's already too much. But yeah, shout out to the moms out there. Like, y'all really out here doing it big. Y'all grinding for y'all baby. Y'all are good mothers. You know what I'm saying? And I see that just through social media. So who knows what y'all got going on in real life. I really don't do much with my life, y'all, right now. I kind of just been doing makeup and, you know, just trying to get my life back on track because my relationship was my everything. Like, I ate, slept, shit that, you know what I'm saying? I woke up every day and that's all I ever did, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, I was in college for 2 years in that relationship. My senior year in high school was in that relationship. Like, you know that awkward stage from 17 to 21? I was in a relationship, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm officially on my own, single, on mine, on my set, on standards, on boundaries, and it's different. It really is different. But I feel like really being alone and being on your own and being single during your 20s is what's needed. Like, you don't need no baby mama drama, baby daddy drama, you know, but if you do got it, I understand. But you know, you don't need that type of drama. You don't need relationship drama. You don't need no drama, okay? You need to be grinding. You need to be living your life. You need to be having fun. You know, my only passion and my only focus right now is my makeup and my makeup career, and to only, you know, become a better makeup artist and to make sure that everybody looks great all the time. So yeah, that's just a little bit about me, you know what I'm saying? I cuss a lot. I cuss a lot, y'all. I don't know if I cussed in this video, and that's a shame that I don't remember if I did or not. But yeah, I cuss a lot. I'm very outgoing. I'm a Sagittarius, you know what I'm saying? Sag gang. We're really the best. Like, I don't know. I know some Sagittarius. Actually, my close friend Autumn is a Sagittarius. Her birthday is the day after mine. Yeah. You gotta kick it with us. Everybody should kick it with a Sagittarius. I'm like the life of the party. Everywhere I go, everybody love me. If you don't love me, you weird. You're weird. Okay? Because I'm the shit. I've always been the shit. I've always told myself I'm the shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, get you a Sagittarius. I have to check to see if my battery is gonna die. So yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tattoos. I got 3 on my back, 1 on my wrist, and 1 in the middle of my titties. They're very enclosed for some reason, especially the ones on my back. I can't even see them. So that's my dumb ass fault. But yeah, I do plan on getting more tattoos, so I'm just that person. I got 1, 2, 3. I got 4 piercings. I used to have 6, and then 2 closed. But yeah, so that's just a little bit about me and what I got going on and what I've been through you know, and shit like that. I am gonna try to do more of these videos, get ready with me's and, you know what I'm saying, little shit, vlogging or whatever. So I just kind of wanted to give y'all an update of what your girl got going on. And hopefully in the future, you know what I'm saying, big things popping. I really feel like I'm gonna be like a professional makeup artist on a TV show. So y'all watch out for me, okay? Y'all pray for me because I feel like it's gonna happen. Look at me. I'm just kidding. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Stick with me. Stay tuned on what I got going on next. I did actually do a video on this look. I will be posting it, but I did want to do this video too as well. So be healthy, pray, and stay the fuck in the house, okay? Because ain't nobody got time for this Rona. We're trying to go outside, y'all. Summer 2020 finna be lit for me, so it needs to be lit for everybody. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I love you guys, and I'm out.